हाय फ्रेंड्स। ये मेरी न्यू सीरीज है जिसमें हम बात करेंगे नए लॉ जो निकला है, द डिजिटल पर्सनल डेटा प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट 2023। सो माय सीरीज विल बी इन इंग्लिश as well as in Hindi. So what contents will I cover in this series? First will be introduction, the concept of data privacy, what is the importance of data privacy safeguards, data privacy law, what is the origin of the DPDP Act 2023, and then we'll cover what are the clauses of DPDP Act 2023. So we might have come across the expression that data is the new oil. Everything right now in this digital economy is data. Earlier, data was never treated as an asset. It was just treated as an ordinary thing. Only jewelry, money, they were treated as an asset. But now data is also a very valuable asset and therefore needs to be protected. So it is used for various purposes like analysis, investigation, for processing of information, etc. So here comes the concept of data privacy and the concept of data protection law. So what is data privacy? It means handling of personal information and appropriate use of such information. It is also called as PII, that is personally identifiable information. What does this information include? It includes health records, financial data, bank account details, credit card numbers, debit card numbers, your date of birth, etc. It might also include information that helps companies operate, like any development data, source code, financial information, etc. So what is the importance of data privacy safeguard? So it helps to protect personal data from unauthorized access, ensuring that my PII data or sensitive data remains secure. It also instills trust and confidence in the customers. The more safeguards I put in place, there is a customer support available that, okay, my data with this organization is safe. Then it also has a competitive advantage, because if a third party with whom I have my data have more of data privacy safeguards in place, definitely it will attract more of customers. It also ensures regulatory compliance. Else, there might be penalties, fines, etc. And also promotes cross-border data flows, in the sense that third-party countries, any other countries, also will encourage data flow to a country which has adequate data privacy safeguards in place. So, why is data privacy law required? So, privacy concerns exist wherever there is PII information being collected, stored, used, or processed. Definitely, there will be some crimes also. So, law is required to protect against illegal and inappropriate use of PII without consent, and ensuring that safeguards are put in place to protect the data. So here we speak about the evolution of DPDP Act 2023. That is, what was the origin of the Act? In 2017, the right to privacy was declared as fundamental right under the Constitution of India by the Supreme Court of India in a judgment K.S. Puttaswamy versus the Union of India. It was also known as the right to privacy verdict, and it was a very important verdict in the history of India. So, in the same year 2017, after this verdict, Government of India set up data protection framework. It appointed a committee known as B.N. Krishna Committee to deliberate on the framework. This committee was formed and headed by retired Supreme Court Judge Mr. B.N. Sri Krishna. In 2018, that is in the next year, B.N. Sri Krishna Committee formed submitted its report on the framework, and it also presented a draft PDP Bill 2018 to the Ministry of Electronic and Information Technology, in short MEITY. In the next year, that is 2019, based on recommendations of committee, MEITY did the iterations to the bill, and then PDP Bill 2019 got introduced in the Lok Sabha and then was referred to a joint parliamentary committee, in short JPC. 2 years after, that is in 2021, JPC presented the report on PDP Bill 2019. In the next year, that is 2022, MEIT withdrew the bill and stated that a more comprehensive framework would be presented and released the draft Digital Personal Data Protection Bill known as DPDP for public consultation. Then, in the milestone year 2023, the bill got approved by the Cabinet, by the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and it got the assent of the President of India in August 2023 to make the bill as an act. So friends, this is the first part of DPDP Act 2023. So this is for educational purpose. If you really like this lecture on this, then please like, subscribe, share. Thank you. We'll meet soon.